Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Awi Ilham, and I'm from 90 and want to make schoolwork IPA. And I'm here to make donut. First of all, the ingredient is wet 40 gram, cornstarch, sweeten condensed milk, and then pour in 6 gram fermented, 1 egg, and water total 200 to 25 milli. 1 to 2 tablespoons and 50 gram margarine. The way is to mix the flour, cornstarch, sugar, and yeast. The way is to mix the flour, cornstarch, sugar, and yeast. Then add the sweetened condensed milk. Then pour in the liquid ingredients little by little, while kneading until the dough is half smooth. Stop adding liquid if it feels like it's enough, or you can add if the dough is still hard. After stirring, then mix the butter until it's smooth. Rest until light and expand almost 7 times. And then, here is. And then you can fry it until the color is brown. And that's it. Done. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ilham from Nandi, and here I want to explain how does donut microorganism works. So, donuts are one of the conventional biotechnology products in the food sector that utilize the microorganism Saccharomyces cerevisiae, so that the fermentation process occurs. Donuts, which are snacks, are quite popular among students. Is a fried food made from a mixture of flour, sugar, eggs, and butter or margarine. The most common donuts are ring donuts with a hole in the middle and round donut with sweet fillings, such as various types of jam, jelly, cream, chocolate, or cheese. Making donuts involve a fermentation process by the microorganism Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Fermentation is the process of producing energy in cells under anaerobic condition without oxygen. Sugar is common ingredient in fermentation. To find out the fermentation process, students can be involved in the practice of observing the yeast fermentation process in making donuts. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used as developer in the manufacture of donuts or other types of Reurocean because it can produce enzymes that can break down sugar into alcohol and CO2 gas. The presence of CO2 gas that is formed during the fermentation process causes the donut dough to expand. This can also happen because the flour being kneaded is elastic, so it can confine the CO2 gas formed during the fermentation process. The carbon dioxide gas formed is then retained by dough, so that dough expands. Okay, that is from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.